In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Trello for automatic reminders. If you're someone who uses both Trello for task management and Google Calendar to keep track of important dates and appointments, syncing these two can be a game changer. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. To begin, navigate to Trello's website using your preferred web browser. At the Trello homepage, you'll want to ensure you are logged into your own Trello account. If you aren't, go ahead and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate and open the Trello board you want to sync with your Google Calendar. This is the space where you manage your tasks and workflows, and soon it will seamlessly interact with your calendar. Now, with your board open, you'll see the menu on your right side. Here, you need to click on Power-Ups. This is Trello's version of add-ons. They enhance the functionality of your boards with various features. Once in the Power-Ups section, you'll notice a search bar. Simply click into it and type Google Calendar. This will filter your available options to show the Google Calendar power-up that we'll be using today. After locating the Google Calendar power-up, the next step is to add it to your Trello board. Each time you add a power-up, it enhances your Trello experience by adding new capabilities to your board. Just click on Add, and this will start the process to connect it to your Trello account. Once the power-up has been added, you're one step closer. The next task on your list is to connect this power-up to your account. This will enable communication between Trello and Google Calendar, allowing your tasks to show up as events on your calendar. With the power-up connected, go back to your Trello board and look for the option labeled Calendar View. Clicking this will take you into a new interface within Trello, designed for visualizing task deadlines in a calendar format. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to connect your Google account. Grant the necessary permissions so that Trello and Google Calendar can interact seamlessly. Follow the on-screen instructions, ensuring that each step is completed to authorize Trello to access your Google Calendar. And there you have it. Once these steps are done, your Trello tasks should appear on your Google Calendar, and you'll receive automatic reminders for due dates, keeping you organized and on schedule. This connection between Trello and Google Calendar will be a huge time saver and help you maintain a structured workflow. Thanks for following along and happy organizing!